Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation about practice number 8. This is about uh, how to compute remaining cargo to load for trimming for a capesize vessel or on any size vessel. What the importance here is the how can you make or how can you compute for the cargo remaining to load for trimming. Okay. So it's only that I'm going to use this capesize vessel, but all vessels, bulk vessels, you can use this program. So let's start, guys. Let's start with this actual loading plan or loading sequence. The name of the vessel is Cape Odyssey, and capesize vessel with 9 holds. Okay, the loading port is Port Headland, and the discharging port is Pohang, South Korea. The cargo is iron ore, and water density at berth is 1.025, meaning seawater. Total cargo to load is 196,520 metric tons. Okay, and this is the number of pours. This is number of hold to be loaded, and this is the quantity of cargo to be loaded in each hold. This is the ballast operation, its comments, and this is the drop on each operation. The airdrop, the mid-drop, the trim, and the airdrop. Okay, for each hold. Let's say forward, up, and mid-drop. Now, let's construct. Let's say that the operation is now ongoing. Okay, the vessel is now loading at berth. At pour number, I just want to highlight this one, guys, so that you can follow up. So this one, number 18, up to, let's say up to here. I just want to highlight this one. Uh, make this little lighter blue. I think this one better. Okay. Then the final drop. Okay, final drop. Okay, this one, and the trimming hold, and the trim amount of cargo for trimming. Okay, let's make that color. Okay, again, upon reaching pour number 18, they are the operation now. The loading operation is loading hold number 2 with 10,910 metric tons as per your loading sequence. Okay. Now, the chief officer is going has already made a night order upon completion of loading hold number 2 of 10,910. The duty officer will advise the foreman to stop loading so that the chief officer and the draft surveyor will read the draft around the vessel, forward, up, and main draft, port starboard, so that they can compute how much cargo to load for trimming. Okay? So, let's say the operation has stopped. And the chief officer and the top surveyor are now at berth and going to read the ship's draft forward, up, and main, port, and starboard. Assuming that they have already completed reading the draft, they both agreed that okay, forward draft is 16.93. I just highlight this one, guys. With this one, 16.93, and updraft is 17.38, and the mid draft is, highlight this one, and the mid draft is 16.16, and trim is 0.45. Okay, and the target draft, departure draft, forward and up, forward is 17.43, and up is 17.65, and the departure drop, mid drop is 17.54, and trim is 17.22. So we put this one. Okay, make this a little bigger. Okay, now assuming that this is the trimming hold 18.2, and the trimming amount of cargo is roughly 5,000, or exactly 5,000. Okay, assuming that they have already agreed with this figure, forward and up of forward is 1693, and up is 1738, and mid is 17.16. So they have agreed to this figure. So we will apply this to our program. So with the surveyor, he has his own program. That's how they will compute how much remaining cargo to load for trimming. So since this is the vessel, the name of the vessel is MB Cape of the Sea. So this is the program used for using how to compute for remaining cargo to load. So we go to form number 6, which is here, how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Okay, so what is the forward drop? Forward drop is 1693. So you put here 1693, 16.93, and updraft is 17.38. Put here 17.38. Okay, then this will be your main drop, this will be your trim, and LCF, MTC, and TPC. Okay, so check the mean drop and the trim 17.6 and 45. So you are there 17.16 and 45. Okay, then they both agreed that actual midport is, let's say, 17.16, 17.16 port, and starboard will also be 17.16. Okay, and what is our final departure drop here? Final departure drop is, mid drop is 17.54, which is this one. Okay, blue one 17.54. Okay, take note of that. So you put here 17.54, 17.54. Okay, take note of the recommended cargo toll for trimming is 5269.7, and this will change actually. The weight, take note of the weight, this will change. Okay, so but according to the plan, loading plan, the trimming amount of trimming is only 5,000, but according to the program, you must load 5,269.7. So, how did I get this figure? You click this one, that will be K8, which is K, and 8, row 8, that will be your sinkage, times M3, which is M, and 3, that is TPC, times 100. Again, so sinkage times TPC times 100, that will be the final cargo, that will be your remaining cargo to load for trimming. And here, I will put, just in case the local density at port is 1.025 5, until completion, the density is 1.025. Okay. Take note of your departure drop, mid drop is 1754. You will have to interpolate the TPC. And the TPC of 17.54 is 13868, this one. So, take note. Then you follow the arrow. And you put here, you just round it up, 5270. So you put this. Take note of this. This one will change. 5270. There you go. The weight now is the same of 5270, and you have the weight here. This is how to find weight is change of trim times MTC times 100 over distance, then the weight will be 5270. Okay. This is another way of getting the weight, but here we only use this one. This one. Sinkage times TPC times 100, then you will have this figure. Okay. Okay. So when you put this one, 5270, what will be the result? Your mid drop will be 17.54, which is the same here, and sinkage is 0.38, which is the same here. So the program says you will have to load this 5,270. Okay. And there's another way of getting the final drop here. So the cargo is 5270. You put here 5270 and put the TPC of 13868. Okay. 5270 divided with your TPC of 138.68, that will be 38. 38 divided by 100, that will be this one. 38 divided by 100, that will be 0.38. Okay. Then we make a color about this one. That will be 38. Okay. That will be your sinkage. This will be your weight. Okay. This will your TPC. TPC. Okay. And this will be your sinkage. Sinkage. Okay. So your present drop, mid drop is 17.16 plus your sinkage of 38. Then your final mid will be 1754, which is the same here. Okay. Now, once you have loaded this 5270 here, actual cargo to load for trimming, then you go to trim holds 2. You go to trim holds 2. Take note of your trimming weight. Then you have here 5270, the initial drop, main drop, trim, MTC, LCF, and TPC. Our trimming hold is 2 and 8, okay? Trimming hold is 2 and 8. Take note, guys. This 1-9 and this figure 1-9 will change when we put here 2 and 8. So you put here 2, press enter, and you put here 8. Okay, and notice the changes. It's now 2 and 8. Now it's 2 and 8. Okay, then you scroll down. The program will ask for the trim. What will be your final trim? According to our plan, the trim should be 22 centimeters. 22. Okay, so you put here 0.22, 0.22, press enter, then he will tell you what to load in hold number 2 and number 8. So number 2, it says you have to load 2650. Let's say 2650, put here 2650, and number 8 will be 2620. 2620 if you round this up, and your departure drop forward will be 1743, up will be 1765. Your trim is 022 and main is 1754. So forward is 1743 there, and up drop is 1765. 765. Your trim is 22 centimeters and your main drop is 1754. And your deflection is 0. So how did I get this main? You just click this one. We go to form 6. Okay, after you loaded this amount of 5270, this will be your main drop. Click this one, and your main drop is equals, and this will be your main drop. Okay, and your deflection is 0. Okay, then you go back to form number 6. Okay, take note of this figure 2650, 2620, and the trimming hold. Scroll down. Take note, 2 is 2650, 8 is 2620. Okay, 2 and 8. Go back. Then apply the cargo here, 2 and 8. Put the weight, 260, and 2620 here. Apply the LCG. Okay, what is the LCG? 2 and 8. Scroll down. LCG of number 2 is negative 91896. Negative 9196, and 8 will be 67.5. Number 8 will be 67.5. Okay, confirm. Then scroll down. Your departure drop would be forward will be 1743. Up will be 1765. Trim 22 and 1754. It is the same here. Okay, your departure drop, and your deflection is 0. Deflection is 0. Okay, the same. Then we go now by trim table. So we go trim table. Take note of the remaining cargo to load is 5270, which is the same here. 5270. Okay. Trimming hold is 2 and 8. The amount of cargo for loading for holds number 2 and 8. Then we have to apply forward and correction for hold number 2 and number 8. So what is the correction for hold number 2? Forward correction. So what is our departure drop? Departure drop is almost 18 meters, okay? Almost 18 meters. So we choose the 18 meters. So 18 meters between 2 and 8. So this is 18. We put this back to normal. And this is number 2. Highlight this one. Put this to red. And bold. So that is number 2, okay? Forward and up. Then we go to hold 9. Hold 9, you make this, or you can make this red, okay? Red and bold. Then number 9, this is number 9. Okay, number 9. Put it to black and unbold. Then this is number 8. Okay. So what is the correction in hold number 2? Forward correction. This hold number 2 forward correction is 2.3. So we put here 2.3. And up correction is how much? Up correction is negative 0.8. So put here negative 0.8. And the forward correction of hold number 8, scroll down. Number 8, forward correction is negative 0.4. Negative 0.4. And up correction for hold number 8, hold number 8, up correction is 1.8. This is 1.8. 1.8, okay? Take note, guys, the correction is from 18 meters, okay? Because your drop here is almost 18 meters, okay? So I choose 18 meters. Okay? Then what will be, after you have already put the correction forward and up, what would be our departure drop? So forward is 1743 and up should be 1765. 1765. So your short here, your trim is 20. What should be our trim? Should be 22. So make this 65. Okay, 65. So you adjust the up correction. Make this 65. You make this, say, 9. Take note, 67 is too much. So put this 85. No, 65. And the trim is 22. So 765, 743, 22, and trim should be 22. Okay? So, trim 22. No, it's okay. And the deflection is 0. Okay? But look at this, guys. You don't know which cargo hold to load first. So I suggest that you have to load 8, hold number 8, so that you will have a good trim before loading number 2. Okay? So here, I made make this hold number 8 to load first, then hold number 2 after. So amount 8 is 2620, 2620, negative 0.4, negative 0.4, and 1.85, 1.85. 2 is 2650, 2650. Correction is 2.3, 2.3, and negative 0.8, negative 0.8. Okay? So this is your initial drop. Forward, after loading 200, 2620, then this will be your draft after loading 2620 in hold number 8. So that 18.83 forward up is 1786. And you carry this down, then you load number 2 after loading number 8. So after loading number 2, your departure drop forward will be 1743, up will be 1765. Your trim is 0.22 and mean drop is 1754. And your deflection is 0. So you have program number 6, your first program trim 2 holds, second program, and your trim table, your third program. Okay? So you have 3 programs to back you up. Then we have another one, the fourth program, which is form number 7, which is how to find draft and trim when handling weights involving large changes in mean draft. Our initial density at loading board is 1.025, and upon completion, the density would also be 1.025, okay? And our drop forward is how much? Just click this one equals. You can go to form number 6 and click this one, 16.93. There you go, 16.93. Up drop, put here equals. Go to form number 6, then click the up drop. Okay. Then scroll down. You put here now the cargo hold. Put this equals. You go to trim holds 2. Click number 2. And number 8, put equals. You trim 2 holds, you click number 8. Okay. Then amount of cargo, put equals for number 2. You go trim 2 holds, then you click the cargo in number 2, 2650. There you go. And you put equals here for number 8. Then you go to trim 2 holds, click the cargo for number 8, and enter. Now we will apply the LCG of hold number 2 and number 8. You go to trim number 2, trim 2 holds. Take note for the LCG of number 8 and LCG of number 2. You go to the for number 7, you can click this equals. Okay, then go to trim 2 holds. Number 2, the LCG is this one, 9196, negative 91, put enter. There you go. Then you put your equals. Then you go to trim holds 2. That will be number 128. 67.50. Then you have 67.50. Then scroll down. The mean draft will be 17.54, or this is if you run it up. And your forward and up draft is this one. Forward is 1743. Okay. 1743 and up is 1765. Up drop should be 1765. Okay, almost. And your mean drop is 1754. Your trim is 22 centimeters. If you run on top, that will be 22, which is the same here. This is 1765. This is 1764, but almost 65. But what important here is this mean drop of 1754. And your deflection is 0. Okay? So you have 4 programs to back you up. This is form number 7. This one. trim by trim table, this one, then trim two holds, same drop, and form number 6. Okay? Now take note, guys. I want to emphasize this also. To get the weight, you use this weight equals change of trim times MTC times 100 over distance. Then you will get this 500, 5,270. So this is change of trim, which is how much is change of trim is 23. Change of trim is this one. Change of trim is 0.023 and MTC is 2985.6.56. MTC is 2985.56. This one, and your distance is 13.014. Distance, that will be distance from LCF, which is 13.014. 13.014. Okay, so this one I can change this one. CT change of trim is 0.23 to 0. This should be 230. And MTC should be 2985.56. 56, and your distance will be 13.014. 014. Okay, they're not the same. 298556 times 100 over 30. Then you will get a figure of 5270. Okay, then this is for the vessel MV Cape Odyssey. Then, for example, another capesize vessel, which is MV Scipio Europe, will also load, for example, in Australia with the same sequence. So we will try to use the same sequence. Okay, so forward drop is 1693. 16.93. Up drop is 1738. 1738 to 17.38. Okay, then you put the mid drop 17.16. Port starboard is 17.16. Okay, then departure drop is 1754. 1754. Okay, put here 1754. 17.54. Sorry, undo. This should be 17.54. And his recommended cargo to load is 52243. While in Cape Odyssey, is how much? 5270, and CPU is 5243. Okay, then 98, scroll down, put this will change. See, 5 to much 5243, 5243, then mid drop is 1754, same here, and syncage is 38.38. Okay, take note that the cargo has changed, so this one you can change this one to 216 2939 39.48 score, and 12.1. This will be 12.131. 131. Okay, so they are now the same weight. And this one, the cargo to load is 5243, the TPC is 13798, divide this by the 3, or by TPC, divide by 100, you 0.38, 1716 plus your syncage 38, then 1754 is the same here. Okay, then it says here, go to trim holes 2, your initial drop, mean, and MTC LCF. The trimming hole is 2, 8. Scroll down. The trim is 0.22, and what will be in hole number 1? 2543. Round it up. 2543, and 8 will be 2700. 2700, and your departure drop forward is 1743, up is 1765, 22 centimeters trim, and 17.54. You have 0 trim here. Deflection, I'm sorry. Deflection is 1743, 765, 1754, and 22. Okay. Then you go to form number 6. Scroll down. Take note of the cargo. 2 and 8. You go to double check. 2 is 2543, 2700. 2543 is 2700. Apply it here. So with the LCG, then your departure drop would be forward is 1743, 1765, 22, and main drop is 1754, and you have 0 deflection. Okay. Then we go to by trim table. Take note of the trimming mode, trimming amount of 5243, which is 5243. Okay. Trimming hold is 2 and 8. Cargo correction forward and up. So we go here, forward correction for number 2. That be 18. So we go this back to normal. Then highlight number 2. Number 2 should be red and bold. We go to number 9. This is number 9. Go to black and bold. And hold number 8. This one. Red and bold. Then we go to number 2. Correction number 2 forward is 2.3. Put here 2.3. Up correction negative 0.8. Negative 0.8. And forward correction number 8. Scroll down. Forward correction number 8 is negative 0.4. Negative 0.4. There. Up is 1.8. So this up is 1.8. Then your departure drop, this should be 43 and 65. So we adjust forward 43. So we make this, let's say this 5, 46, 45, 45, this is 45. This is, make it 4, make it 3, make it 2, make it 1, 43. Okay, 43. Then we go, this should be 65. This 75. 75. 65. So make this 75. There's 76. There we go. 43, 65. 43, 65, 22, 5, 15, 70. 43, 65, 54, 22. Flexion is 0. And same here. 1743, 1765. Flexion is 0. It's the same. Okay. Then we go to for number 7. The initial density for start of loading is 1.025 and completion of loading is 1.025. Okay. Take note of forward and up 1693, 1738. 1693, 1738. Okay. Scroll down. Then you have your 2 and 8. 2543, 27,000. 2543, 27,000 and the LCG. And your departure drop, main drop is 17,537. And your drop forward and up should be, check this one, the density or LCG LCG 2 and 8. 2 is LCG equals this number 2 equals number 2 LCG there, and number 8 LCG number 8 64 there, and your double job 17537, and your something wrong with this one. Okay, 5 should be 4365. Okay, so and your deflection is 0. 1693 the density. Okay, so at here you have 3 programs. For number 6, trim 2 holes trim, and number 7 is a little, there's something changes in here. So here you have 3 programs for CPO Europe. Then we go to the next third vessel, which is MB Cape United. Okay, so we go to port number 6. Forward is 17, how much? 1693. Okay, 1693. Ay, how much? 1693. 16.93. Up is 1738. 1738. 1738. 17.38. 1716. 17.16. 17.16 and 1754. Departure drop is 1754. 17.54. Okay. Then your mid drop, your TPC is 1798. Okay. And trimming, cargo trimming is 5243. 5243. Put here. This will change. 5243. 5243. There you go. 5243. If you load 5243, your mid drop is 1754, which is the same here, and your sinkage is 38, which is the same here. Okay, so put here 5243, divide it with your TPC of 13798, and your sinkage will be 38. This will be wait, this will be your TPC. Okay, this is your sinkage. Okay, so your mid drop is 1716, your sinkage of 38, then your final mid departure is 1754, which is same here. Okay, and you have the same distance. Wait here by using this formula. So wait, double check. Change of trim is 233. Put this 233. Your MTC is 2939, 2939.48. 48. Your distance is 13. 13.037. Okay. Now they are now the same. 239. Distance is 13.037. 13.037. Okay. Distance is 13.07. Okay. Check. Chase of trim is 233. Chase of trim is 233. MTC is 293948. 293948. 293948 MTC, and your distance corrected distance from LCF 13.037. 13.037. Okay. Okay, then says here, once you load 5243, you go to trim holds 2. Trim holds 2. Take note, cargo and your trim, the hold is 2, 2 and 8. Okay. Scroll down. Your trim is 0.22. 0.22. And how much you load in number 1? 2612. To say 2612 here. 2612. And number 8 should be 2631. 2611. Okay. Say 26. This should be 26118 should be 2632. 2632. And your drop forward and up is 1743, 1765. Is 1743, 1765. Mid should be 1754 and 022. Okay, that will be mid is 1754 and trim is 022. You have 0 deflection. So that is trim 2 holds. Then you go back to form number 6. Scroll down. Take note of hold number 2 is 2211, 2611, and 8 is 2632. Apply the LCG. And your departure drop forward is 1743, 1765, 22 trim, and main is 1754, which is exactly the same here. 43, 17.65, 1754, and 22. Okay, same. That is program number 1, program number 2, and we go to program number 3 by trim table. Okay. Take note of the trimming cargo 5243, trimming hold 28, the cargo 1, cargo number 2 is 2611, 8 is 2632. What is the correction of number 2? Forward correction number 2. So we go to number 8. Number 2, what is 2? Red. bold, and make this black back to normal, black and bold. We go to number 9. Number 9, this one, make it black, back to normal. And number 8 should be red. Well, then we go to number 2. Number 2 is 2.3 forward. Put here 2.3. Up is how much? Negative 0.8. Negative 0.8. And 8 forward. 8 forward is 8 forward. Okay, like this. Red. Okay. 8 forward is negative 0.4. Negative 0.4. Up is how much? Up is 1.8. This is 1.8. Take out this one. Then your departure drop 4364. So you adjust your up. Make this 8.5. Make this 8.4. Make this 3. 6.5. Big trim. Reduce. Make it 8.2. 4365 22. Okay. 1743 1765 754 22. 4365 54 54 22. Deflection is 0. Okay. Then the same here. 43 65 22 and 54. Okay. 0 deflection. This is program number 1, program number 2, program number 3. Okay. And number 4 is the form number 6, form number 7. Okay. Take note, the density 1.025 and completion is 1.025. The forward and up drop 1693 and 1738. Okay. 1693 and 1738. Okay. 738. And the cargo hold is 28 and the figure here. So number 2, how much? 1 2 2611 2632 2611 2632. Apply the LCG and your mid drop is 17534 and your forward and up drop is forward is 1743, up is 1765. 1743, 1765. Your mid drop is 1754 and 22. Okay, so mid drop is 754 and 22. Your deflection is 0. Okay, so here you have 4 programs to back you up. Form number 7, by trim table, trim 2 holds, and form number 6. Okay, so you have 4 programs. So that's it, guys. So again, you have 3 capesize vessels who use the same sequence, but they have the same results. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a good day.